So you have this fantastic winter and ski jacket over here that is also waterproof. Let's talk about this jacket for a little bit. So they have multiple sizes and multiple colors, of course, but this one is so special just because it is so fluffy, it is so warm, and also comes kind of like packed with really nice features. For example, the Sherpa, inside you're gonna find this Sherpa, which also comes right here in the hoodie. Let me show you. Right here, you're gonna find this super soft Sherpa over here. Also multiple colors and sizes. Just for references, I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and this right here is the size large. So you can see that this one fits kind of like, I want to say, on a tight position, because these ones are going to be kind of like for sports, like for skiing, for sports, for being outdoors. So you don't want something like super baggy, super big. Of course, really good feature right here. Like say that you're going out skiing or you're going out hiking or fishing or something like that. So this one is going to be really nice to have. Of course, also right here comes with the Velcro. So let's say that you have a smartwatch or something like that and you wanted to get it wet, you can actually use those Velcros to protect the pockets right here on the side with zippers, so you can actually put devices inside, since this one is entirely waterproof. So you can actually put some devices inside, like your phone, for example, or something like that. Also right here on the sides, you're gonna find this to adjust it a little bit if you need. You're not gonna need to adjust it, trust me. As I was telling you before, it comes kind of like packed on the tight side. I want to say comes with the tight side. The zipper, you're gonna find the zipper right here, but also you're gonna find Velcro and buttons over here. So that's another nice thing. And of course, when you close it up to the top, this one is gonna get your neck enclosed right here, so you don't get that super cold wind in your neck. The hoodie, of course, you can actually remove it if you want, but let me show you. You also have this, so whenever you want to do this, that's perfect. You have the chance to have it in there fully protected when you're going out again on skiing or doing like outdoors sports in the winter, or just like going out for a hike or for a run or fishing, just name it. This one is going to be super cool for that. And the one that I really like is this one right here, which also comes with the Sherpa. So this one, let me tell you, if you have one of those like hand warmers, you can actually put it inside, like right here. You can put it in this pocket, and then you put the hand warmer in here close to your heart, close to your chest, and that's gonna give you that really nice warm blood circulation. So it's gonna be really nice to have this one right here. So you have the hoodie, you have all the pockets with the zipper, you have the tight and compressed jacket, like winter jacket, you have this over here, and of course, let me show you this, as I was just saying before, this one, whoops, nothing. As you can see over here, entirely waterproof, which I think it is fantastic. The hoodie, the Sherpa, the elastic strap, the close to your heart pocket right here, so you can actually pull your phone. And of course, this one comes in multiple colors and sizes. Just one more time, remember, I'm 5'10", 190 pounds, and this is the size large. Fantastic jacket. This may be your next winter jacket.